welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica, and I thought today that we would just, chat and paint, because why not? So I love painting vintage signs. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this. Can you see this? So I painted this, like a couple of years ago, and I loved it. I loved painting it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna paint another one. And so I like sketched something out, but I'm gonna do this. It's another coffee sign, and it says better latte than never. 'Cause why not? So what I did is I painted the background, and I used a sponge to like get that texture. And I'm gonna try to paint this fast. We're gonna see. So I didn't want to make it like too complicated, and I didn't want to put a lot of color in it. And the paint I'm using is this. Which I've never used before, so we'll see. But it should be fine, right? What I'm doing now is I'm like dabbing the charcoal, because I used a projector to trace the image, and there's a lot of charcoal on here. So I'm gonna take that off. Sorry, I have to like try to concentrate. Woo! I haven't done this in a while. I wish my paint wasn't so thin. Why is my paint so thin? Actually, I know why. I put a medium in it, like a glazing medium. And I put too much. I'm really not familiar with how to use this paint. Is that fine? So I have two cats. Their names are Max and Boots, and they are very chatty. So if you hear meowing in the background, that's what it is. They have a lot to say all the time. I actually just fed them, so they're gonna be a little on the quieter side. I don't like how... What am I doing wrong? Clearly I haven't painted in a while. So I have this desk, so it goes, goes up like this. And I really like it. My cats, though, they try to jump on it, and it just doesn't go well, because it's in an incline. And you know what's going to happen is they're going to step in my paint. And then I'm going to paint all over the house. I don't know how many of you live with cats, but there's never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. I feel like I should be channeling Bob Ross. I don't know. I love Bob Ross. I don't know how many of you guys watch Bob Ross, but if you don't know who Bob Ross is, you need to Google that ish right now. I love him. I'm that person who can just, it's on Netflix. I don't know if any of you watched it, but I can just watch him for hours and not get bored. Is that weird? Meh. I'm almost done, you guys. Look, it's so cute. It's really streaky though, and I don't know why. I'm gonna have to go in and like do more coats, but look. Oh my god. I love it. I could talk about my cats for days. Don't get me started. I never grew up with cats. We actually found, and by we, I mean my fiance, we planned a trip to Yosemite a few years ago. And if any of you have never been to Yosemite, it's beautiful. It's like my favorite place to go. Did you hear that? They're like running, they're running around. And we couldn't, so as far as like getting a reservation in Yosemite itself, you have to book it out because it books up really fast if you want to go in the summer. And I decided to go, it was like a last minute thing. So we ended up staying in I think it was Groveland, and Groveland is like an hour away from the park itself. And it was like an Airbnb situation. And the lady had a bunch of stray cats on her property. And we got there and there were these two little kittens. And they were so cute. They were eating pizza out of a trash can. And we took them home. They were super malnourished though. But we took them to the vet. And oh my gosh. We took them to the vet and there's nothing wrong with them. They had fleas, but other than that, they were really healthy, so. I did a second coat, and then I made the coffee cup a different color just because I felt like it. And I don't know if it looks good or not, but you know what? Whatever. But let me show you what it looks like before I like take a sponge to it. But this is what it looks like. I don't know. I think it looks okay, right? Meh. So what I'm going to do is I made like a gray colors. I have a tiny little sponge in this tiny little container of water, which is not the smartest thing. But I'm just going to distress it a little bit. So I'm going to make it look like it was old. And I'm just going to put this in this like gray color that I made. So I did like the corners like this, and I did a little bit. And now I think I'm going to go in with the blue, which I put in this tiny little cup. And I'm going to put that, I'm going to put some here. And then I'm going to go in with my sponge and kind of put that in the coffee cup. This is the final. So I think you can kind of see to this dressing, but it's cute, right? I like it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I do want to make more videos of me, whether it's painting vintage signs. I really like DIY and crafts. So I have like some cool fall ideas that I want to do. I really want to decorate my office. My office is a mess, so I'm not really going to show you. But I want to decorate it fall for a little bit, and then obviously decorate for Christmas. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.